let's talk about the Nike Dunk Low Retro Panda. If you like these shoes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back. I am back. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Got these for my wife. She been wanting these shoes for a long time. I got these for my oldest son 2 years ago, and he was crazy about them when he first seen them. But my wife said, "Hey, I want these shoes, man. I gotta get them." And now we here. She hit on, I think it was a restock Foot Locker. She hit on them, and she did ship to home. So I gotta say, now before I do say this, I'm just now getting into dunks. I recently purchased the white pine dunks. What's the name for them? I think it's called Pine. The Pine dunks, highs. And when it comes to dunks, I love how they look on my feet, but they have to be dunk highs. I can't do the lows. I can't do it. But she's happy about this purchase. On feet, it look good. These shoes look good on her feet. And I'm happy she got them. I just don't know why people love dunks so much, especially the lows. The lows just tend to sell out every time they drop. The highs don't do shit, but the lows, I don't know. I have no idea. But let's get to it. And your boy is sipping again. Cheers. Whoo! Man, that's sweet. All right, let's get into it. Pretty clean, man. I mean, when it comes to Pandas, I'm pretty sure people like these because black and white, you can rock these with just about anything. All right, let's take a closer look. You got your two-tone look, white leather base with your black overlay all throughout the shoe. And if you turn the shoe around, I like how they got Nike right there. Also, you have Nike on the tongue with a Nike check. See? That little label right there. Oh yeah. So, what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.